I'm Joe Agent on the site. I've been an OMNIAC for about 4 years. I've traded for about 25 years. And I've got to tell anybody that's watching this, if you have the opportunity to attend OMNICAMP, don't let it get away from you. If you want to learn the intricacies of where to buy in or sell, put your stops, all of the technical stuff, this is the place to be. It's the best teaching that you'll ever get. But more importantly, if you want to learn and understand the psychology of trading, the why I'm not going to get messed up when I have get close to a stop, or how I'm going to handle that trade, this is the place for you. You will make more returns on your investment to OMNICAMP because of the psychology than you will anything. One of the other things that's great about coming to OMNICAMP is you can compare how you do your work with not only Oscar, but the other people that are there. And that's invaluable. So, get that wallet out. Don't worry about the price. You'll make that back before you can, you'll ever miss it. And make plans to attend the next OMNICAMP. It'll be well worth your while. If anybody wants a personal reference or to talk to me, you can get a hold of me through the site, and I'd be more than happy to give you more in-depth thoughts on my views. But OMNICAMP, it's not the Holy Grail, as Oscar will tell you. It's not the black box that's going to make it every day, but it's as close as anything to hone your own abilities. So, like I said, make plans for the next one. Thanks, and up yours, OMNIACs.